Hi, I am Narottam Maji. I am a plain air painter. I use this French box easel. Uh,
It is very useful in plein air paintings. This is my palette. Colors are flake white, yellow ochre, lemon yellow, chrome yellow hue, cadmium red, magenta, burnt sienna, burnt umber, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, and sap green. I am using Camlin Artist Oil colors and paintings on own making canvas board of 12 and 16 inches, which is toning with burnt sienna. I start drawing with 4 number bristle brush with a combination of ultramarine blue and magenta. My medium is Liquin Original of Winsor and Newton Company, which is dry very quickly. I try to draw my composition very simple. Now I am ready for color. I start from sky with a combination of ultramarine blue and little cobalt blue and flake white. I am using large number of bristle brush of number 10 for blocking color very quickly. Now I am pretty fast due to every moment of colors and light of nature are changing very quickly. In the sky, the darker the top and lighter the distant part of the sky. The shadow part of cloud, I use cobalt blue, ultramarine blue, and little magenta mixed with white. The distance part of the sky, I mixed ultramarine blue and flake white with a little lemon yellow for warming up the colors. This is really interesting since the clouds are move very fast. The lights of clouds, I used the same combination of less ultramarine blue and cobalt blue with more flake white. That tree is very interesting to me. The dark part of the tree I paintings with combination of ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, and the leaves of the tree with a combination of yellow ochre and ultramarine blue, because yellow ochre and ultramarine blue makes a green deep shadow. Here I am using a small bristle brush of number 2. Root of the tree I using ultramarine blue and burnt umber. Also, the light part of the tree are using white and yellow ochre. And the shadows of the tree are using ultramarine blue and little magenta. Next I start opposite part of the river, distance trees. I am painting with simple combination of ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, overlapping with yellow ochre and white mixed with a ultramarine blue. Also, it is important to soften the edges of distant trees where the sky and river meet together. The water of the river reflection of the sunlight. So here I am using white and yellow ochre. Then I am using ultramarine blue and touch of little magenta. Now this point is very important for atmospheric perspective because the river water is the combination of sky color and sunlight color. Grasses of the side of the river. Grass is very dark. So here I am using a simple combination of ultramarine blue and yellow ochre with a burnt sienna. The highlights of the grasses I am using yellow ochre, flake white and burnt sienna. Here I am using 4 number of bristle brush. Now I move to the shadow of the grasses. At this point, the value is more important for the shadow of the grasses. Here I am using a simple combination of chrome yellow hue and burnt sienna with sap green. Here the shadows are warm, so here I am using chrome yellow hue and burnt sienna. Also same combination using in the shadows of a boat. Foreground of the paintings I am brushing roughly with ultramarine blue, burnt sienna and yellow ochre. Now my composition of painting slight changing due to boat comes again. The boat color is very dark black. I am not using direct black. On plain air study, I am using simple combination of ultramarine blue and burnt umber. This combination is very useful instead of direct black. Shadows of a boat. I am using green shadow, combination of more yellow ochre, also use chrome yellow hue mixed with ultramarine blue and burnt sienna for warm shadow. Light part of the shadow I using more white. This allow me to depth of the shadow. Between the boats, the sky reflects through the water. So here I am using a sky color of white and ultramarine blue. Now the foreground grasses. For dark grasses, I am using ultramarine blue and yellow ochre. Also use chrome yellow hue with burnt umber. And highlight of the grasses, I am using same combination of yellow ochre, chrome yellow hue and little ultramarine blue. Again, I am painting shadows of the clouds with simple combination of ultramarine blue with white mixed with little magenta. Also, here I am using little yellow due to warming up the shadows part of the clouds. For highlight of the clouds, I am using thick paint for layering of clouds impression. Here I am using flake white and little cadmium red with little yellow ochre. Again, I am painting distance part of the sky. I mixed flake white with cobalt blue. Here I am using less ultramarine blue. And the light part of the sky also I am using flake white and little touch of cadmium red. It is important in plein air study that at the beginning I start loose brushwork, then finer detail at the end of the paintings. Now I am going through fine details. The highlight of the grasses I use previous combination but using more chrome yellow and white. Here I am using long hair bristle brush. Here is my brush stroke is impressionistic style, not very fine details. Now I came at the end of the paintings. Here I am using round shaped small synthetic number 2 brush for structural highlight of the margin of the boat. please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.